Wow, I actually got down to 2 bars on my rear battery packs. Let's see how far I went. 16.67 miles. Yeehaw! I don't know why I did that. Whatever. Got to keep it fresh and interesting. Throw a yeehaw in there every so often. Well, that was my ride. So I think what I'm doing right now is get the old remote out, stop the cameras, and then start the cameras so I don't lose my outro footage. I don't know why I'm calling it footage. I don't know what the hell we're supposed to call it now because it's not footage anymore. Footage is based on old tape reels and shit, but 1 second. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's recording again. I'll leave that out. Sir, I got to put the back away now. In my dark and gloomy garage. Ooh. Now I'm kind of parked really close to the side over here. So this is going to be interesting. And also the fact that my selfie stick's on there. I have to maneuver around that now because I got to back the old bike in here. This is going to be freaking interesting. And that works. I got it. Just have to crane my arm over it. And get the pedal to roll in the right position. Nope, didn't work. It ran into something. Not bump into Mom's car. Trying to turn sideways. I did it! I'm amazing. I got past the car. Okay. Nope, hit the tire. I did it. I'm going to Hawaii. Yay. Alright. Shit, that's done. Let me turn some lights on in here. I don't know why I just smacked my helmet. That like hurt my head. Good one, bonehead. You just like injured your bonehead. Well, let's go ahead and stop this. Okay. Oh, jeez, Louise. That was fun. Pretty much without incident. Except for the slow-mo van at the end there. Slow-mo van. Bet you if I try to mention another internet service provider to my roommate, he's going to freak out and start whining about it. He thinks the world's out to get him. Oops. Make sure I don't actually turn that off. Man. Yikes. Well, that was fun. A little chilly. I actually got cold. Weird. I just get done saying I don't get cold in like my last video or two, and I got cold this time. Wow. Ah, jeez Louise. I gotta quit saying that. That's so weird. It makes me sound so old. Some of you don't even know what the hell that means. I don't even know what the hell that means. I don't even know where it was derived from. It's older than I am. Well, that was my ride. So with that, subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for watching my fists slam into each other in front of the camera for some weird reason. I really appreciate you guys. Last I checked, we were about 403. It seems to have stopped about 403. That kind of makes sense since I haven't uploaded anything in a few days because of health and broken spokes and lack of internet. Internet being the key component that I needed. Of course, I could have been writing and making content for 2 days, but, you know, I couldn't technically because of the health and spokes and external evil forces. So, new subscribers, welcome to the channel. As you can tell, I'm kind of weird and whacked out of my mind. But that's alright, I've been hit in the head a lot. I have a reason. It's not an excuse. It's a reason. Many hard things have smacked me in the head, or that I've walked into. Got to really watch where I'm going sometimes. Random viewers, thanks for stopping in and checking out my channel. Feel free to subscribe because it's free to subscribe. You'll help out me, you'll help out my channel, get more people watching my channel. I can be a goofball in more of my videos like I am right now, kind of. I do my best talking when the ride's over because I'm able to articulate and because I can breathe. See, usually I'm trying to spout out words while I'm trying to breathe, and the two don't tend to go together very well sometimes. What else is happening? If you don't like the long videos to subscribers, new subscribers, random viewers, I have a ton of shorts. Most of my videos are shorts lately because that's what YouTube likes right now, are shorts. And I'm pandering to the masses because it's not all about me, it's all about being able to entertain you for the most part, because why the hell else would I be uploading YouTube videos? I mean, if I wanted to keep a log of all my rides, I just would keep a log of all my rides and never upload them. This gives my life meaning, to entertain you. As you can see, I don't want to stop talking to the camera because I'm really bored right now, and I don't want to go in the house and watch Battlestar Galactica on my phone until tomorrow when the internet gets turned back on. Hopefully. But I guess all good things must come to an end, and even the random, boring, dumb shit in the garage things as well. So remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next ride video, maintenance video, cute animal video. We have 7 cats and a dog who's half Papillon and half Chihuahua. So we, of course, called him Pappy. It'd been funnier if we called him Papawa, but he's Pappy. So, and this is San Bernardino. Shit kicks off in San Bernardino. I just never get to see any of the shit that kicks off unless I'm there for the aftermath, like accidents and stuff, which, granted, riding around on a bike, I don't want to be there for the accident. I want to come after the accident. So, anywho, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. Again, because I already said that and forgot and repeated it because duh. With that, I will leave you till my next video. So, I have more in store. I forgot. God, my brain doesn't want to work. Okay, bye.